Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well, doing great in your homes. Alhamdulillah, I am very much fine. So, from the previous two lectures, we were discussing a topic that was the links in HTML. Today, we are going to start a new topic, that is, we are going to discuss in today's lecture about the images. Okay, so we have learned so many times about the images in the previous lectures, but in today's lecture we are going to discuss this topic in detail. Okay, so let's start the today's lecture, and let's not waste our time. So the tag that we have to use for creating the images is the image tags. I told you some of the tags in HTML doesn't have the closing tag, so this is one of them. Okay, so it doesn't have the closing tag, it just has the opening tag. Okay, so now we have used the source attribute here. What is the purpose of this attribute? Basically, in this attribute we will give the path where the image is placed. Okay, for example, I'm just going on the desktop, and this is the image folder where all the images have been placed. So I'm just copying this path from here. Okay, and I'm placing this path, pasting this path over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have just copied and pasted the complete path of the image. So this is the name of the folder where the images are placed. After this we have to put the forward slash, and after the forward slash we have to give the name of the image and also the extension, the file format of the image. So I am using this image, so the name of the image is one, and the file format of the image is the jpg. Okay, so this is the file format of the image. Okay, so हमने जो है इमेज का पाथ दे दिया है. ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स सेव दिस एंड सी द आउटपुट इन द ब्राउज़र. ओके, so let's reload it from here. As you can see, कि हमारी जो इमेज है वो क्रिएट हो गई है वेब पेज पे. यू आर एबल टू सी द इमेज दैट आई हैव जस्ट क्रिएटेड. ओके, सो इस तरीके से हमारे पास इमेजेस क्रिएट होती हैं. वी हैव टू सिंपली यूज़ द इमेज टैग, एंड इन द इमेज टैग वी हैव टू गिव द सोर्स एट्रीब्यूट, एंड इन द सोर्स एट्रीब्यूट वी हैव टू राइट द complete path of the image as well as the name of the image and also the file format of the image, the extension of the image. Understand? So now the next attribute that we can use here is the alt attribute. Basically, what is the purpose of this alt attribute? For example, if for any reason आपकी जो image है that is not displaying on the web page, so what happens then? There comes the use of this attribute. So पहले मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ practically, then you will understand it clearly. Okay, so let's write the alt attribute here. Okay, so इन द ऑल एट्रीब्यूट वर्ड आई विल गिव, बेसिकली मैं यहाँ पे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगी अबाउट द इमेज. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम राइटिंग हेयर 3D image. Okay, so basically this is the extra information about the image. Okay, so what this attribute does, so let's save this and see the output in the browser. Okay, so I'm just removing this image path from here because I don't want to कि मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरी जो image हो कि वो display हो web page के ऊपर. ठीक है, so now let's save this and see the output in the browser. Okay, so now let's reload it from here. Okay, so I'm just zooming in. Okay, so as you can see here कि हमारी जो image है that is not displaying on the web page, and instead of the image there is a text is displayed, and that is the 3D image that I have already given here. Okay, in the alt attribute. Basically ये alt attribute क्या करता है, ये हमारे पास जो है extra information हम इसके अंदर देते हैं. For example, if for any reason हमारी जो image है वो हमारे पास browser में या web page पे display नहीं हो रही है, so अगर हमारी image display नहीं हो रही है तो alt की attribute के अंदर जो भी मैंने text दिया होगा, जो भी information मैंने दी होगी, ये image की जगह पर इस text को, इस information को show करवाएगी. As you can see कि if for any reason our image is not displaying on the web page, so this information is displaying on the web page that this is a 3D image. Okay, again इसको reload करके देख लेते हैं. So it is the same. Okay, so that's how this attribute works. Okay, so now the next attribute that I am going to use here is the height and the width attribute for adjusting the size of the images. Okay, so now we are using the width and height attribute here. Okay, को रिमूव करते हैं यहाँ पे हम. Now let's write the width and the height attribute here. Okay. 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 So मैं यहाँ पर width दे रही हूँ for example 50%. You know about the percent? This is the unit. Okay. And also मैं इसकी height जो है adjust कर रही हूँ. Okay. So height भी मैं दे रही हूँ 50%. Okay. So now let's save this and see the output in the browser. Control S से हम save कर रहे हैं. Okay. So now let's open the file. Let's reload it from here. I think it would there is some issue. I think ये हमारी save नहीं हुई है. But it is save. Oh, I just didn't give the path here. So now let's again copy the path from here. Okay, so let's give the path here. Now the name of the image as well as the file format of the image. Okay, so now let's save this. ओके. सो इसका साइज़ मैं थोड़ा जूम इन कर रही थी ताकि आप लोग सब तरीके से सब चीज़ें देख लें. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ विजिबल टू यू. So let's save this and see the output in the browser. Okay, so I am just reloading it from here. Okay, so as you can see the image. Okay, so अब इसकी जो हमारे पास width है और इसकी जो height है वो हमने 50% कर दी है. Understand? For example, if I am changing the height from 50 to 100. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output in the browser. Okay, so now let's reload it from here. As you can see here कि अब हमारी जिसकी height और width है वो increase हो गई है. As you can see कि ये अब जो है पूरे वेब पेज पे नज़र आ रही है बिकॉज इसकी हाइट और width जो है हमने 100% कर दी है. दैट्स वाई ये हमारे पास पूरे वेब पेज पर विजिबल हो रही है. ठीक है जी. सो इस तरीके से हमारे पास दीज एट्रीब्यूट्स वर्क्स. ओके, सो हमारे पास इस तरीके से हम लोग एक इमेज क्रिएट करते हैं. ओके, इमेज टैग को यूज़ करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी यूज़ द सोर्स एट्रीब्यूट एंड वी गिव द कंप्लीट पाथ ऑफ द इमेज एज वेल एज द नेम एंड द फाइल फॉर्मेट ऑफ द इमेज. आफ्टर दैट वी यूज़ द ऑल्ट एट्रीब्यूट. व्हाट दिस एट्रीब्यूट डज बेसिकली इफ फॉर एनी रीज़न हमारी जो इमेज है दैट इज़ नॉट डिस्प्लेइंग ऑन द वेब पेज, सो दिस एट्रीब्यूट the purpose of this attributes comes there. Okay, so after that we have used the width and height attribute for adjusting the size of the image. Okay, so now we are going to use here another attribute. Okay, so what attribute now we are using here is okay जी. so कौन सा attribute now we are discussing, that is the align attribute for aligning our image. For what this attribute does and what is the purpose of this attribute, let's see this. For example, आप जो है align attribute के through क्या कर सकते हैं, basically आप अपनी image को align कर सकते हैं. For example, if you want to align your image as left, right, center, top, bottom, so you can do that using this attribute. Okay, so now let's use the align attribute here. align. Okay, so इस तरीके से हम लोग align attribute जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं. now for example अब जो है मैं I want to set the image alignment as okay, so first I will just change the width attribute value from here as 50%. okay, सो मैं यहाँ पे उसकी विड्थ और हाइट जो है वो 50 कर रही हूँ अगेन. एंड देन मैं इसकी अलाइनमेंट जो है सेट कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो आई वांट टू अलाइन द इमेज एज राइट. ओके, सो मैंने जो है इसको राइट पे अलाइन कर दिया. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सेव दिस एंड सी द आउटपुट इन द ब्राउज़र कि हमारी जो इमेज है वो अलाइन हुई है या नहीं हुई है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स रिलोड इट. ओके, एज यू कैन सी हेयर कि मेरी जो इमेज है वो मैंने लेफ़्ट पे अलाइन कर दी है. ओके, सो द सेम हम यहाँ पे इसको राइट लेफ़्ट पे कभी कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल if I am writing here left, so it will align the image in the left side. Okay, so now let's reload it and see the output in the browser. As you can see on your screens, now the image has been aligned on the left side. Okay, so another attribute, okay, you have aligned the image as left and right. Now you can align the image as top and bottom also. Okay, so how you will do that? Basically what we do, हम यहाँ पे जो है एक पैराग्राफ यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है जी. For example, I am a paragraph. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now let's write the closing tag of the paragraph here. Okay, ओके, तो आप देख सकते हैं मैंने एक इमेज यूज़ की है एंड आफ्टर द इमेज आई हैव यूज द पैराग्राफ टैग फॉर राइटिंग अ पैराग्राफ हेयर. ओके, सो नाउ अब जो है मैं इसकी अलाइनमेंट सेट कर रही हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल इमेज की अलाइनमेंट मैं सेट कर रही हूँ बॉटम के, मतलब ये सबसे बॉटम पे आए. ठीक है जी. सो आप देख सकते हैं इस तरीके से मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा बॉटम. ओके, सो नाउ जो है इसको हम लोग क्लोज कर देते हैं इमेज को. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output in the browser, that how this attribute is working now. Okay, so let's reload it from here. As you can see कि हमारे पास, एक second, so like this you can align your image as left, right and top, bottom. Okay, so as you can see I have aligned the image as left. Okay, so as you can see here I have set the alignment of the image as left. You can also write it here as top. Okay, so now it will be aligned on the top side of the web page. Okay, so I am reloading it from here. As you can see here, now the has been aligned on the top and the text has been aligned on the bottom, because I have aligned the image on the top. Okay, so that's how you align your images. Okay, so now you have seen that you are aligning the image as left and right, but as top and bottom, but you are not aligning the image as center. So there is no any other attribute for aligning the image on the center. So for aligning the image in the center, we just use a tag. We can use a tag here. So what this tag does and how this tag is used, for example I am removing it from here. Okay, so now I am using here a tag that is the center. Okay, for example let's write the center tag here for aligning the image in the center. ओके, सो इस तरीके से हम लोग सेंटर के टैग को यूज़ करेंगे. इमेज के जो है हमारे पास जहाँ से हमने इमेज का टैग स्टार्ट किया है उसके स्टार्टिंग में ओपनिंग टैग लिख देंगे सेंटर का, एंड जहाँ पे इमेज हम खुद क्लोज कर रहे हैं वी विल राइट द क्लोजिंग टैग ऑफ द सेंटर. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सेव दिस एंड सी द आउटपुट इन द ब्राउज़र. Okay, so to see if it is working or not. Okay, so now I am reloading it. As you can see now the image has been aligned on the center. Okay, so मेरा purpose यही था आपको बताने का that there is no any other attribute for directly to align the image as center. For example I can't for example as you can see I am removing it from here. Okay, so मैंने इसको यहाँ से remove कर दिया है. ठीक है जी. So now the same attribute I am writing here. Okay, align का. Okay, so मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ for example center अगर मैं लिखूँ यहाँ तो हम देखते हैं कि if it is working or not. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output in the browser. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, so as you can see here, if I am writing here center in the align attribute, so it is not working because HTML4 और HTML5 में इस तरीके का कोई एट्रीब्यूट नहीं है जो डायरेक्टली हमारी इमेज को सेंटर में अलाइन करे. फॉर दैट हम जो है सेंटर का टैग यूज़ करते हैं, एंड वी कैन आल्सो परफॉर्म सम अदर थिंग्स ओके एज वेल to align our image in the center. Okay, so what we have to just do, we have to write the center tag here to align our image in the center. Okay, so let's remove it from here. Okay, so let's write again the center tag here. uh, Center. Let's write the opening tag of the center here. Okay, okay, so now again इसको सेव करते हैं and see the output in the browser. Now let's reload it from here. As you can, no, it's not coming. I think we have done some mistake over here. Oh, we just write the forward slash here. Now let's save this and see the output in the browser. Okay, so as you can see कि हमारी जो image है वो हमारे पास center में align हो गई है by giving the center tag over here सराउंडिंग द इमेज टैग. अंडरस्टैंड. सो दैट्स हाउ हमारे पास इमेजेस जो हैं इमेज अलाइन होती हैं, लेफ़्ट राइट होती हैं, लेफ़्ट राइट अलाइन होती हैं, सेंटर में अलाइन होती हैं, टॉप में अलाइन होती हैं, बॉटम में अलाइन होती हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव डिस्कस द इमेज टैग. ओके, इन टुडेज लेक्चर वी हैव यूज द सोर्स एट्रीब्यूट. इन द सोर्स एट्रीब्यूट वी हैव गिव द complete path of the image where the image has been placed. Okay, so we have also give the name and the file format of the image as well. After that we have discussed the alt attribute. What this attribute does, basically if for any reason your image is not displaying on the web page, so this attribute displays some information about the image, some extra information about the image. For example, we have displayed the 3D image as the extra information about the image. Okay, so we have also used the width and the height attribute for adjusting the image size. Okay, so we have discussed the align attribute also for adjusting the alignment of our image as left, right, top, bottom. Okay, so our image has been aligned in the center by using the center tag. Okay, so we have used the center tag, opening center tag and the closing center tag here to align our image in the center. Understand? So another attribute that I am using here is the title attribute. Basically what the title attribute does, what is the purpose of this title attribute is, let's see this. Okay, so for example, I am writing here the title as home, house graphics. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output in the browser, that what this particular attribute does. Okay, so I am reloading it from here. So when I am bringing this mouse over this particular image, something should be happen. Let's reload it again. I think there is some issue. Title house graphics. Okay, टाइटल जो है हाउस ग्राफिक्स मैंने दिया है. लेट्स अगेन इसको सेव करते हैं एंड सी द आउटपुट इन द ब्राउज़र. द टाइटल attribute is not working, but why? I think we are doing some mistakes over here, but what mistake we are doing here? I have just removed the paragraph tag from here and I think there is no any issue. Let's again save this and see the output in the browser, that if this attribute is working or not. Okay, so मैंने just यहाँ से center tag हटा दिया है and I have just removed the paragraph also from here. Now let's save this and see the output in the browser. Okay, control S से हमने इसको किया save. Now let's open the file from here. Let's reload it from here. So as you can see, when I am bringing this mouse over this particular image, so this particular information is displaying that house graphics. So basically title क्या करता है, when title gives some title about your image, some information about your image. When you are bringing your mouse over that particular image, so it is displaying some information about that image. Okay, so that's why I have just used the title here as the house graphic. So when I'm bringing this mouse over this particular image, it is showing me the title as the house graphics. Okay, understand? I hope you understand this attribute also. Okay, so now I want to show you some more thing that we have used the center tag for aligning our image in the center. Okay, so other things we can also do to align our image in the center. So what are those things that we can perform to align our image in center? Let's see this. Okay, तो हम किस तरीके से हमारी इमेज को सेंटर अलाइन कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द सेंटर टैग, एंड देर आर आल्सो अनदर थिंग दैट वी कैन परफॉर्म टू अलाइन आवर इमेज इन द सेंटर, बट देर इज़ नो डायरेक्ट एट्रीब्यूट फॉर अलाइनिंग आवर इमेज इन द सेंटर. ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं स्टाइल का वर्ड. आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर दैट वी यूज द स्टाइल वर्ड फॉर स्टाइलिंग आवर डॉक्यूमेंट. दिस इज़ नॉट द CSS सीरीज, बट फॉर नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग सम हाउ about the styling. Okay, so we are using the style attribute here. Okay, okay, so now I am using here some of the attributes. Okay, so let's see this. So you don't have to worry about these things. Okay, so we will discuss these all the things in detail in the CSS series. That okay, so just for now understand that we can also do some other things for aligning our image in the center. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output in see the output. Okay, कि हमारी जो image है वो center में align हुई है या नहीं हुई है. Okay, so now let's save this and see the output in the browser to check the alignment of our image. Okay, so now I'm reloading it from here. So as you can see, now our image has been aligned in the center as well. So we can use the center tag for aligning our image in the center. Basically there is not a direct attribute for aligning our image in center in the HTML4 and HTML as well as in HTML5. So we can perform two things for aligning our image in center using the center tag also, and also we can perform some of the styling to align our image in the center. Okay, so I hope you understand the today's lecture. So we have just discussed about the images in today's topic. We have discussed how to create the images. Okay, so we have also discussed what the tag we have to use for creating the images in HTML. Okay, so and also we have applied some of the styling on the images as well. Okay, so I think that's it for today, and I hope you understand today's lecture. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Watch the videos from start till the end. After that you will understand all the things clearly. Okay, so if you have any query, ask from me anytime. I will try to solve all of your queries anytime without any hesitation. Okay, so let's stop the recording here, and I think it has become a long video now, so let's stop, and I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, so I'm stopping it here. Allah Hafiz, take care.